Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing October's spot price bar. But before we get into that, let's have a little look at the collection so far. Oh, we got the letter S. Very strange, but we'll pop that over the back there. Now this is the collection so far. You can see we've only got 3 more to go. And in today's video, we're going to be doing October's. And then all we have left is November and December. Now this year has been extremely interesting for silver. We started the year at £23 an ounce. And let's have a look what we actually opened at the very first trading day of October. Oh, it says COA. That's interesting. Okay. So COA. So should we have a look at that first? Let's have a look at the COA first. I'm guessing maybe they accidentally packaged this up and they forgot to include the COA. So instead of unpackaging it all, they added an extra box. Ah, this is... Right, okay, I remember now. Okay, so this is to hold the COAs. Now this is something that Nerd UK helped produce. I came up with the idea of something to store these COAs in. And I reached out to my good friend in the community, Nerd UK. And he has... Oh, this is all stuck to me now, the sellotape. And he has produced this little box. It's got a little tray, as you can see, that just fell out a minute ago, that can hold all of the COAs. So instead of the COAs getting lost and people are trying to store them inside the boxes and it's not really working, this is something really cool that they can all go in and you can keep them separate and keep them nice and in good condition. So thank you very much Nerd UK for helping put that together, and thank you very much for Louis for sending it across. And they've also included, I think, a 50p that I think they didn't include in, one of the bear bars that we had in the past. So that's really cool. So we've got 2 little gifts there. These were sent out with some of the bear bars, as it's a bear on a 50p. And there's my one of those as well. So really cool. So that is that done. So that's a nice little bonus. We'll actually put that over the back there. And in here, we should have the spot price bar for October. So let's have a little look. Always extremely nicely packaged. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, now I know what these are. I know what these are. I don't know whether I should showcase them yet, or whether I should let other people in the community start getting theirs first, because I don't really want to ruin the surprise. So I think what we'll do is we'll unbox the bar for now, and then I'll showcase what's inside this Cardiff Gold pouch in a future video, so it doesn't spoil it for those of you that haven't yet received your October's bar. Now there was actually something else that I didn't showcase in the last unboxing. There it is. And this is again produced by Nerd UK. I reached out to him and asked if he could make a bull and a bear display piece to go with September's bar. And this is what he came up with. Really, really cool. And I don't think I showcased this in my September unboxing, because again, I didn't want to spoil the surprise for those of you that hadn't yet got your spot price bar. But now I can showcase it. Now a few of you have, well, most of you, or everyone to be fair, should have received their September bars, unless you live in the US and you're saving them all up and you're having them sent out in batch orders. But let's have a little look at October's. I always keep hold of these. Really, really nicely presented. Great packaging. Everything you buy from Louis always comes in really, really good packaging. Always has COAs. And their attention to detail is absolutely incredible. And let's have a little look. So this should be the COA. Yep, October 001 365001, 34.3 grams. So nicely over the ounce mark there. And let's pop it in our new COA holder. Let's see if it fits. Does it fit, nerd? Look at that. Fits perfect. Absolutely perfect. So there we go. I'll have to add all the other ones in there once I finish today's video. But it's nice just to keep them in good condition. But let's have a little zoom for the start of the show. 365 days of silver, spot price bars, 34.3 grams, 3 nines fine silver. Absolutely stunning piece of silver. Really, really nice. Always finished to such a high standard. Nice smooth edges. Just crazy to think that this has actually been poured into sand. This would have been silver that was melted down and poured into a sand cast mould. But it looks like it's been pressed and factory made because it's so precise. Really, really cool. And as you can see, October 2025, £35.27 an ounce, which was an increase of 17.25%. And you can see there, because it's double figures percent, it's not even almost fitting in the box, which is absolutely insane. 17% growth in 1 month is absolutely incredible to see. Already yesterday we hit 39 and then £40 an ounce. So £5 increase in a couple of weeks since this bar was produced, which is absolutely insane. Where are we going to finish in the end of October, start of November? I'm just going to have a quick look now on my app because I haven't checked. I've just finished work and I haven't checked what the spot price is today yet. So it'd be really interesting to see if we're back up at that £40 an ounce. I know it dropped down a little bit to 39. Live price, you can see the live price now is £39.50 an ounce. So you can see it went up to the high, look, 39, so almost back up to 40 again today. 39 and 60. If we go for the last 24 hours, you can see, look at that growth. Insane. Absolutely insane growth. Crazy. That is in the last 24 hours, up 3.48%. So there we go, sitting just under £40 an ounce. So already, like I said, this bar is outdated in terms of the price of the spot price on there. But like I said, it'll be very interesting to see what November's bar says on it. Will it be higher than 35? Could it be 40? Could it be 45? Who knows? But let's put this bar into the box. And this is my favourite thing to do with this collection. Absolutely love adding these bars to the box. If you're collecting these bars and you haven't got a box, please reach out to Valui and get a box, because I honestly don't think of any better way to store this collection. But there we go, October's bar. Absolutely love it. Such a beautiful looking piece. Fits in there very, very nicely. And there we go. 2 more left to go. Absolutely insane. Let's try and lock the focus for a second there, so we can just appreciate the growth that we've seen in 2025. £23 an ounce, £25 an ounce, £24 an ounce, £26 an ounce, back to £24 an ounce, then we're back up to 25, 26, 27, 30, 35, and like I said, are we going to see 40 on the next one? Time will tell. But yeah, absolutely incredible. This collection is going to be so good to look back on in a few years' time. It's been amazing, the volatility that we've seen in 2025. It's nice that it hasn't been going up the whole way, because otherwise we wouldn't have any of these bear bars in the mix. It would literally be ball all the way, like we've seen the last few months. So it's really cool that we managed to get a couple of bears, because I do really like the bear design. We go to the March bar here. I think it's actually a really, really nice looking design. And also you've got these lines that go down to reflect the way that the market went. But yeah, absolutely incredible. It would actually be really nice, wouldn't it, to get one more bear? How nice would it be for this collection to get one more bear for November? Maybe, I don't know, £34 an ounce on here, and then back up to £40 to finish. That would be amazing, wouldn't it? Just to really finish the collection. But I do generally believe that we are going to see another bull and another bull. Might see 40-ish pound here, maybe 41, 42, maybe even 45, the way that it's been growing over the last few weeks and months. But yeah, be really interesting to see how this collection finishes up. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for all the support. Please like, share and hype the video if it gives you the option to. And I hope you have a very nice day.